Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 28th, 2025, we're taking a deep dive into the QQQ, examining both recent market news and the technical chart data. Recent headlines are dominated by concerns over escalating trade wars, particularly President Trump's proposed tariffs on foreign-made vehicles. These tariffs are creating uncertainty, potentially impacting various sectors within the Nasdaq, including automakers and tech companies reliant on global supply chains. We're seeing concerns on Wall Street, with some banks slashing year-end price targets for the S&P 500 due to these escalating trade tensions. We also see that the Federal Reserve's future policy path is highly uncertain amidst all the turmoil. Now, let's move on to the chart data for QQQ. Starting with the daily chart, we can observe recent price action and identify key levels. Zooming out, we can see a long period of uptrend followed by a recent consolidation. Let's narrow the view to look closer at the most recent candles. We can see recent choppiness and indecision based on how the candles are shaped. Switching to the hourly chart gives us a closer view of more recent price action. We can see the more recent downtrend in more detail here. Important support might be found near the 480 level, which we can see has acted as support in the past. Taking it a step further, let's look at the 15-minute chart to try to predict short-term price action. The 15-minute chart shows choppy recent price action with no clear short-term trend. If we look at where the price is now, compared to yesterday at this time, we're slightly down. Given the current news and chart data, a cautious approach is warranted. The escalating trade war creates significant uncertainty, and the chart data reflects this with choppy price action. Key price levels to watch include the 480 support on the hourly and recent day candles highs and lows, which may act as resistance. If QQQ breaks below 480, a further correction could be possible. Conversely, if QQQ can break above its recent swing high, it may signal a return to bullish momentum. Given the upcoming tariff deadlines, keep an eye out for tariff and trade negotiations.